This week we're going to ask the question, can I fit MX5 parts to my MR2? Good morning! Welcome back. So big shout out to Bofi Racing for sponsoring today's video. For all your MX5 needs, check out the link below. Actually, I might just put it here. I don't know. Try not to die while recording. I've just fitted the lip. This is going to be like Back to the Future because we're going to be switching back and forth between realities here. But enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. If you think I should be fitting more MX5 parts. I was supposed to fit a diffuser to it, but I ruined that by cutting the rear out. So let me know what you think I should be doing next in the comments, obviously. So when I got the car back in July, start of July, we were messing around at work saying that I should do some like Frankenstein bits, put some MX5 bits on the MR2 as a joke, and then we started looking and decided to stick one of the MDA lips on it. Now this is something I got probably mid-July. I haven't had a chance to fit it up until now. So basically, because I'm not doing this full time, I only get one day a week because I'm working the rest of the time. I usually just have Saturday to deal with the filming. So it's been one of those things I've been trying to do like after another job. So I'll do one of the videos and I'll try and do the lip, and I never really get a chance to finish it. So I thought I just need to, oh my dear God, I can't see. I just need to get on with it and do it. So I have. Now this is the first time I've driven the car with the lip. So I'm hoping it doesn't fall off or catch or rip off on the way to work. I haven't heard it rip off yet, so this is all good. So there may be quite a few outfit changes in this video, so just beware. As I say, I started this probably mid-July when it was hot, so there's probably about 10 outfit changes. You'll see the bumper come on and off about 30 times. But I hope you guys enjoy it. It looks mad. I also done the gear shift bushes and the K&N filter whilst I was there because the shifting was awful, and I can safely say the shifting is much improved. I am no longer stirring soup like this trying to get a gear, so that's wicked. So if you want to know what they are, give me a shout. Where's my remote? Here it is. Okay, bye. Can we fit me arse parts? Pretty badass. It is pretty huge as well.
That's what she said.
Let's get it jacked up and get the bumper off and make a start and see how well this is actually going to fit. So I have done some work on this over the last few weeks. So I've cut out this whole centre, which used to come back as far as here to allow it to flex round, because before it was sitting out here. It should now bolt onto that. I'll bolt it on and see what happens. I have a feeling I'm going to lose all of these.
A few moments later.
That's what it would look like. It's fucking ridiculous, man. I need to fill the middle in, so I have something for that. So to solve the issue of the gap, man's got Wix gravel and patronage in. It's going to fill down here. So I will just speed this up, because it would have been probably the 30th time you've seen this, so let's go. So here we have an MDA lip for an MX5 NC Mark III. I've been trying to fit this onto here for a while, but I just get annoyed and give up. I'm hoping this is the answer to my problems. So let's try the 40th time getting this on.
And now for something completely different.
Hello. Just lean on the wing like this, like just casual. So the next job that we want to do today, oh hello, sorry I'm so tall I just jump out the frame like this. Hello, I'm ahead. We're going to be fitting these gear bushes. These gear bushes are left over from the Sleeker that I got Pete to measure, and they're the same as this. Hello. So I'll just take the airbox out and then you'll be able to actually see it. I've never done this before, so what could go wrong? I'm even going to put my Mr. Krabs gloves on. Thanks, Pete. I feel like a surgeon. Right, I guess I have no idea how this comes off. Right, so there's a clip here and a clip down here, I guess. Yep. Okay, math plug off, Jubilee off. There's two clips, and then there's a water pipe on the side that you've got to take off. This would be easier if I had the brace off. Airbox. Wow, that air filter's dirty already. I have a K&N one. Should we put that in? It is dirty. Let's put it in. Let's take this out as well for fun. Well, I'm guessing mine's missing quite a lot of hardware because that just came straight out. What's that? Came with a free bit of rubber glove in there. That looks like Pete's. Okay. So, here are the shifter bushes. Here. And here. So there'll be play Oh, holy crap. Yeah, it's this one. Maybe you can see there. Let me go and wiggle it. Now I can't see what just happened. Let me put you on the bigger thing. Now I can't see if you could see that properly, so we're going to have to guess. So you pull this little pin out, and then there'll be a washer on top, a washer, and then the bush pops off. So it just pulls off. That is the bush that we've got to take out. These are brass in the middle, so they wear. But that one didn't look too bad, it was the other one. Let me zoom in. Oh, hello. God. I can't see what I'm doing now because I'm zoomed in so far. Right, so this is what the plate is. So imagine that exaggerated between here and the gear lever, so that's why you need to do it. So these should just pop out with a screwdriver, but it just depends what screwdriver we can get down here. So you put it through the middle and then lever on the bush. Look at that, it actually came out. There you go. So this is what you do. Oh my god, I'm the wrong side of the camera. And then pop, and it pushes out. There's the good one. See that this is bronze in here, so the bronze obviously is soft, so it wears. This is what allows the movement in it. We're swapping that, and this was on my Celica. I changed the bushes so you can see it's solid, so it doesn't wear like that. So yeah, and there's a little circlet that goes on the end. So we have bush, the circlet goes through, and the circlet goes through here. And it just pushes through. One big feet in there. Well, there's one. Let me show you. Because I'm just that nice, you see. So the circlet, where's my finger? The circlet pushes through here. And then the clip goes on top so it can't come out. Watch out! There is my circlet. Here is my circlet. That's on. Where's my little clip? Hopefully that stays there. Let's try again. Excelente. Now I've got this all apart, so it makes sense to put the K&N in. It is a little bit dirty. It's not too bad. I was going to film cleaning it, and then I want to do a before and after on the dyno. So what I'll do is I'll fit it. It should be pretty clean. Let's see if it's... Yeah. Oh, it's not too bad. And then I'll take it out and clean it at some point, and I'll show you how to clean them, because they're pretty easy to clean. Just shake out all the shit. But this should flow more than this. Don't know if it'll make any difference, but we can certainly try. In the bin. Cool, that's in. Let us get this bad boy in here. There's a water pipe that goes around here that I've just seen. It wasn't connected. I guess that's all. It was very loosey-goosey when it came out. So that's kind of not really in the hole.
That's what she said!
Right. Just got to get these clips on. One. Math plug. Water pipe. I'm just going to tie this bad boy up. It is important that that is tight, because that is after the math, so you don't want any air leaks there. That looks like we are all back together. Let's go for a drive and see if the splitter falls off. So the splitter is on, the gear shift bushes are on, and the K&N's in it. Let's take a look. Looks so much better with these black panels. Let's just take a minute to appreciate this. Black. And with the seat, let's just take a look at that. Ignore the horn button. The horn button needs some attention. Oh, Bofi. So the splitter is on. It's quite a cool shot. I ground it out on the way here and it didn't fall off. It looks ridiculous. Look at it. I have no idea how long it's going to last, if it's going to come off. But it is on. I'm out. Oh, it's dark and raining, but I had to finish this off. So I got some stays this to try and support the front. The bumper's not bolted on, which is why it's rattling. But it's raining and I need to get this done tonight so I can edit the video and drive it to work tomorrow. But it actually looks alright. I'm wet. Done. I don't think you can even see it's raining so much out here. I mean, it's not going anywhere, I don't think. So to answer the question, can you fit MX5 parts to your MR2? You can. It's not straightforward. And it's taken me about 3 months to actually get it on the car. But you can. And you can also fit Celica gear bushings. Also, quick disclaimer. I realised that you can buy a splitter. Before anyone says anything, I realised you can buy a splitter for these. I was just messing around to see if I can make one fit. So don't get grumpy in the comments and go, oh, you can buy one. Oh, why have you fucked around with that? It was just something fun to piss around with. It might fall off. I'm not really that fussed. It does actually feel like it's got slightly more downforce, which sounds ridiculous. But again, fun. The whole point of this channel is to mess around. We're not taking life too seriously. So anyone that gets grumpy or watches it, it's like, oh, well, you haven't done that correctly. I'm not that fussed. It's done. The splitter maybe not. Everything else is done right. So don't get angry. It's just fun. We're just watching for fun. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.